The rear compartment of the Pegasus can be used in an aeromedical configuration for patients. A8, B125, C20, D54. The correct answer is 54. When is the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus scheduled to enter service? A. 2025, B. 2030, C. 2019, D. 2022. The correct answer is 2019. When was the first 747 LCF rolled out of the hangar? A. 17th August 2000, B. 17th August 2006, C. 17th August 2016, D. 17th August 2002. The correct answer is 17th August 2006. Boeing KC-46 Pegasus is scheduled to replace the older A. Boeing KC-135 Stratotankers, B. Boeing 747, C. Airbus A400M, D. Boeing C-7000. The correct answer is Boeing KC-135 Stratotankers. Which of the following airlines operated the LCF fleet until August 2010? A. Atlas Air, B. Evergreen International Airlines, C. Cargo Logic Air, D. FedEx. The correct answer is Evergreen International Airlines. The Pegasus has a flight control system. A. Mechanical, B. Electrical, C. Electronic, D. Hydraulic. The correct answer is hydraulic. Which of the following engines are used to power the Pegasus? A. Rolls-Royce Trent 700, B. Pratt Whitney PW4062, C. Rolls-Royce Trent 800, D. Pratt Whitney F135. The correct answer is Pratt Whitney PW4062. The 787 aircraft parts were deemed too large for standard marine shipping. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.